Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always well, and today's recipe is puff pastry. Here I have 500 grams of flour, and of course you can double the quantities. I also have 1 level teaspoon of salt, here I have 40 milliliters of oil, which is a 1/4 cup. This is grapeseed oil. And here I have 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now I mix these ingredients by rubbing the flour with the oil and salt. Here I have 200 milliliters of water. I will add it gradually and see how much the dough needs. The water should be cold from the tap or chilled in summer. The dough should not be soft, so we add the water little by little. Now I have added all the water and the cup is empty. I will check if the dough comes together, and if not, I will add a little more. I add just a little water because this side is still dry. About 1½ tablespoons. I only gather the dough without kneading it. Now the dough has come together like this. I wrap it in plastic while I prepare the butter. I take the dough and roll it out. I take 250 grams of butter and cut it into this shape. It looks like this. I fold the dough over it like this to enclose it. It is important to seal the dough well so the butter does not escape. Now I roll it out. Until the dough stretches. I fold this edge slightly and turn this side over. Then I fold, keeping the open side to my right. Now I roll it out again. I roll it lengthwise and widthwise. After rolling it like this, again I fold while keeping the open side facing the same direction. And I fold once more. Then I roll again for the second turn with the open side aligned. I always roll in both directions evenly. I fold slightly here and straighten the shape. Then I fold again. Now I have 2 turns marked and I move to the third. This is the third turn. After each turn you can make a small mark to remember. It is easy and quick, and now I add flour because it started to stick. The whole process takes only 15 minutes and is very simple. It comes together quickly. Now I fold again slightly. I position the dough like this. I align it and fold again. As I said, the open side always stays on the same side. Now I have completed 3 turns. I sprinkle a little flour on top and underneath for the final turn. The last turn is done. I fold the short side and then the other side, and fold to finish. The dough is now ready. I will cut it so you can see. This is the final stage. I cut it to show how it looks inside. You can see the layers clearly. This dough turns out beautiful. I will prepare a recipe with it, and the video may be long, so I may divide it into 2 parts. The first will show the dough and the next will show the recipe.